Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
QuickBooks Desktop Pro provides you with reports that help you with time tracking. They can be accessed by selecting Reports, Jobs, Time, and Mileage from the menu bar in QuickBooks Desktop Pro. Let's review the names and functions of the time reports available in QuickBooks Desktop Pro. First, you have the Time by Job Summary. This report shows hours worked totaled by customer job and then totaled by service item per job. The Time by Job Detail lists each time activity, meaning work done by a person for a particular customer or job on a specific date, and shows whether the work is billed, unbilled, or not billable. The report groups and subtotals the activities first by customer and job, and then by service item. The Time by Name report shows hours worked or tracked as sick or vacation time, subtotaled first by the name of the person who performed the work, and then by the customer job for whom the work was performed. The Time by Item report totals the hours by service item and then subtotals the hours worked by customer job.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.